Well, it's 3 o'clock, and I went around and recalked where I needed to. Put a little bit on the outside edge and just rubbed it in with my finger. And speaking of rubbing things in, you see that K over there? It looks discolored, huh? In fact, this whole area looks discolored. See? That's because I put some caulking on top of the Diydeck where that water was standing. And if the water sets here, it can set on top of the caulking. And then if the caulking fails, it'll go through the Diydeck. The Diydeck fails, then it'll go through to the other flooring. This is just another layer of protection I can put on here. So the water will set on top of that. What about that? It was about to there, huh? I didn't like that. It probably didn't really go much further than that. Let's just go out just a little bit further. That's it. My extreme caulking. It's just going over the Diydeck, filling up any little minuscule air pockets on there, right? Okay. If that water wants to set on there, right in there, it can. One more protection layer. Okay. I think I'm done for the day. I'm going to let this dry, and then am I ready? Am I ready to put this stuff down tomorrow? I don't know. There's a couple more things I want to do before that. Remember, the one thing is that stucco patch that I need to do over there. I need to do that before I put that down. I don't want to put that stuff down and have to walk on it. I can just walk on this, do the stucco patch. And there's something else. If you will recall what I said in the past, what I still need to do underneath these columns. Okay? And that's what I'm going to end up doing tomorrow. Underneath that column, underneath those two columns, not the outside, but under there, under there, under there, under there, under there. Not over there, but under there. What could that be? I'll explain that tomorrow. Well, here's a tip for you. It's getting kind of cold out there, but the sun's still up and everything. And I'm going to wait for stuff to dry where I can put my caulking back down, but I'm going to leave my caulk gun inside because it's warmer inside than outside. If you leave your caulking outside, it can harden up a little bit and be harder to work with and press out of your gun and stuff. So whenever you can, leave your caulking inside in your garage, in a storage room, in a closet inside your house or whatever. You got really super cool conditions. And if your caulking is out in a really cold garage or outside, and you leave it out here overnight, and you think, oh, I'm going to use it tomorrow to caulk and stuff, and it gets down below freezing or something, have fun using your caulk gun then. Okay? So there's something for you to think about before you caulk, especially if it's cold outside. So while I'm waiting for that, what else am I going to do? Am I going to am I going to mess around and watch football, or am I going to go and install this three-way lighted switch? Oh, nice. A three-way switch, and it's lighted. I like that. And I'm going to install that in the garage. Every time I go out into the garage and it's dark out there, I go to reach for the switch and I like can't see it for a little bit. I have to reach my hand all around for it. And I thought, nothing doing. I'm going to get a lighted switch installed in there. And initially, I got a regular single pole lighted switch. And then I thought, hey, this isn't going to work, because there was a light switch inside the house and one out in the garage. And both of them turned on the lights in the garage. Okay, I didn't check that out before I went to the store. So I was going to do this quite a few weeks ago, but now I went back to the store, I got this, and it's time to do that. So if you want to see me install a three-way switch and a lighted, or just a three-way switch, that's what this video is about, so stick around.